How to raise a self-confident child. Hey moms, in this video I'm going to share with you 5 most effective ways on how you can help your child build his confidence. So stay till the end because you are in the right place. But first, I would like to ask you some questions. What it means for you when you see a red button that appears on your dashboard? What are you doing after? What will happen if you don't go and fix that problem? In 1 or 2 months or 2 weeks or 2 hours or 2 days, the problem will keep showing up, right? And if you don't fix it, it will get worse. So you need to go to a garage, you need to see what's the problem and fix that problem, right? Why am I making this analogy? Well, because we parents have this instinct of rescuing or distracting our children every time when they face a situation that makes them sad, that they're afraid of, that they are when they are crying, when they have a tantrum. So we have this instinct of distracting them. But we all parents should stop doing this. Because the same like the car, if we don't fix the problem in that moment and we leave it this way, then the problem will show up later, but will show up worse. So leave your child express his emotions. What you can do when he has a tantrum or he's upset or he's crying, you stay next to him and show empathy. Another thing that you can do to help your child to boost his confidence is to promote problem solving. For example, your child comes to you and say that his friend took his car at the playground. What you can do is to bite your tongue. Bite your tongue and ask just one question. What do you think will be a good way to get it back? Children feel more confident when they see that they are able of doing things by themselves. The third thing that you can do is to let him make decision. Of course, we won't leave them to make all the decision that they want, take all the decision that they want for themselves. But the best way to help your child in making decision, let him make decision, is to give them choices. Give your child 3 choices, 3 options to choose from. For example, ask him, what would you like for lunch tomorrow? So give him 3 choices, let him pick his lunch. Or you have to go somewhere, pick his clothes and let him choose which one he wants to wear. Another thing that you can do is to always give your child a good feedback. Every time when he tries something new, every time when he fails, especially when he fails. When children lose, they don't feel good, they feel sad, they feel disappointed. But the child that has low self-confidence, it is worse. So the reason why children with low confidence don't try new things is because they are afraid of failing. Here are some ideas on what you can say to your child if he fails. Oh my God, I just love that you didn't give up. Or you must feel very good now that you finish that puzzle, that race, that Lego. All you need to do now is to practice more. Another thing that you can do to help your child is to encourage him to take small risks or leave him to take small risks. Sometimes we parents don't leave our children to do those things that they want because we know it's not for their age. So we tell them, no, you can't do that. You are too small for this. Wrong. Instead, we should encourage them to try those small risks and stay next to them. Stay next to them, smile at them, encourage them, be there ready to help. But in the same time, be quiet. Don't give instruction unless it's really needed. This is another very effective way to help your child boost his self-confidence because again, children that are not confident, they prefer to stay in their comfort zone. And another thing that you can do is to avoid to teach your child be a perfectionist. Resist the temptation to implement this idea into your child's mind that he has to be perfect, that his homework has to be perfect, that everything has to be perfect before he shows up. Again, a child that is not confident doesn't do things because he thinks that everything must be perfect. So for a non-confident child, he sees either is white or black, bad or good. So he's always avoiding, is afraid of making mistakes. So all the time when you see someone, or you have someone in your family that tried something and he failed, or if you see someone that on the television and your child is next to you, use these affirmations like at least he tried, or I'm sure he did his best. Use this affirmation a lot. Nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes. But you need to believe that one day you are going to make it. And the last thing is, don't be afraid to use this word in front of your child. Actually, it's going to be very, very beneficial to your child if he's not confident. Don't be afraid to say, I don't know. This will calm your child, knowing that mommy, daddy, or you don't have to know everything. It's okay not knowing everything. These are my tips and my ideas on how to help your child be self-confident. As I always said, it needs time, it needs practice. So be patient and keep practicing all these tips that I share with you. If you liked this video, then press the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and why not share this video to make more children feel good about themselves, be confident, not sitting on the sidelines, and go out there and interact with other children. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.